Greetings. We're just up here on top of Stein Butte, down here in the southern Oregon and northern California area. We're here to talk about these Hexin mini backpacks. Kind of new to me, new to us, but they're turning out to be really awesome. They've got a lot of storage compartments, 2 bottle bags, 2 mini straps on the shoulder straps, or mini pockets on the shoulder straps, and of course its own little pouch that it folds into, which we'll demonstrate real quick. Just getting ready to pack up here, get down from our hike here from Stein Butte, about 4,400 feet. And you can see, you just shove it right in here. It fits into its own little bag. And you'd never think that there's a backpack in this little tiny pouch. But there you go. It weighs almost nothing. And you don't even notice it's there. We carried it around our waist all the way up. Little tiny pouch. You clip it on. But let's load it up. See everything we can fit inside. Okay. Well, as usual, we've got our water bottle and our blanket wrap. Shove that down here at the bottom. Peregrine bag with all of our trail kit. Get that in there, why not? What else can we fit? Our full-on Columbia fleece. So we'll probably be able to get that in there as well. Not a problem. Fits right inside. Just stuff it in. There's still plenty of room for anything else we might need, like wool socks. Get those inside. Thermal bottoms. Get those in there. Zipper up. What else do we have to put in here? Let's see. Bear spray maybe? Sure. Got a bear spray in here. And the knife. Everything in this little Hexin bag. Handy little things. Weigh nothing. They can hold just about everything. My only complaint was that they could use a little chest strap, but other than that, pretty darn handy. We're happy to have one, and you'll probably enjoy the fact that you have one too. Anyway, thanks for joining us on Stein Butte.